my channel. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul for 2 weeks and also a little bit of Christmas wrapped up in there. We spent $144 for 2 weeks. That's really good for a family of 7. So without further ado, let's get into this amazing haul. Okay guys, so this is missing 2 cases of water. So yeah. Let's start over here. So we have 4 cans of tuna, and Rob usually substitute this if he eats all of his lunch, because when I cook and I have leftover, he'll take for work. So if he go back for second and he doesn't have any leftover for his lunches, he'll take a tuna.
And that was
so
75 cents.
Yeah, so this is sardine to substitute for his protein. So this is Rob's lunch if he eats what I cooked the night before, if that makes any sense. I have 1 thing of red kidney beans because I'm going to treat them on Christmas to rice and peas, and we don't eat like that anymore. Don't do that. We don't eat like that anymore. Well, we're consuming so much carb. So this is for Christmas because we don't buy these anymore because of the sodium. The sodium on here is very high. Yeah. So we don't really do canned like that. And then for breakfast on Christmas morning, we're going to do corned beef and hash. Oh, we have a lot of rice? Okay, so we picked up a can of corned beef, and then I'm going to mix it with this. So this plus that equals corned beef and hash. So moving on into our breakfast staple. I have cream and peanut butter, and then crunchy peanut butter. I love this in oatmeal. Rob has some bone broth beef for sipping when he gets, like, because he's not consuming so much or so many carbs like he used to. The transition has been hard, so we got this to help with that. Then we got tater tots. We usually don't buy this anymore. This is just for Christmas morning, and we're having his parents over. And then we have carrots. We have, this is what we're switching the kids over to, so we're giving them turkey franks. Then we have ground turkey here, and this is the 90% lean, 10% fat. And then we have the 93% lean, 7% fat. So this is 1 dinner, this is 1 dinner. This is grass-fed ground beef. Grass-fed ground beef. And then this one right here, so 80%, 20%. We usually take the fat off. We usually take the extra fat out ourselves. And then we have this spinach and kale turkey patties. Because we usually do haystacks now. And it's so good where you make...
That's new to us.
Yeah, haystack. So you take the ground beef, tacos, lettuce, some kind of beans, sour cream, and that's haystack basically. So good. So we're so healthy. Then we have chicken breast over here for, this is 2 meals. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something is missing. No. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then Christmas I'm doing curry chicken, so that's not here. So this is for all 7 days that I cook, because I cook Monday through Thursday, and I'm off on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We usually pick through leftovers and stuff on the weekends. So this is 7 meals, and then Christmas makes 8. That makes any sense? I hope that makes sense. On Christmas, I'm doing breakfast, so I got original bacon for my in-laws because they eat pork. So I got that. Probably stick it in the oven or something. And then for us, I got turkey bacon, lower sodium. And then I got extra sharp cheddar cheese right here. And then the sweet Hawaiian. The sweet Hawaiian, I finally found it at Walmart. And I was like, oh my gosh, so these are for Christmas morning. So it's this, eggs. Did I show you guys the eggs? I got eggs. Oh, I'm going this way, right? And then we got popping corn for the kids, for them to pop. We have vanilla, original vanilla yogurt. I got some vanilla pudding and then some chocolate pudding. These are all for the kids' lunches. And then Rob picked up light sour cream. I use the original. I don't like anything light, so I got the original. And then we have caramel macchiato coffee creamer. And we have some black beans here. So I have to cook black beans now. We don't do cans anymore. The only reason why I got this is because I couldn't find the bag. We got sweet peas, mixed vegetable, and kernel corn. Okay, so we left off here. We have some pistachio. This is the one without the salt. No salt. These are amazing. Yes, this is what we snack on. We have some extra sharp cheddar here for when I make cheeseburger soup, which is so good. We have spicy, lightly seasoned spicy guacamole tortilla chips. We use these to make haystacks. So we use that one. We used this one, the bite-sized tortilla chips. And then this is mini pretzel twist. Then we have Jello snacks right here for the children's lunches. And then I got 3 things of sweet stripes peppermint sticks. These are $1 at Walmart and they are amazing. I'm getting ready to do a hot cocoa bar on my channel, so stay tuned for that. And then I have a value pack, apple and cinnamon. This is my father-in-law's gift, so I got him a bottle of wine and a wine opener. So that's his gift for Christmas. And then we have a tricolor coleslaw. So this is a side for one meal. And then this is what we use to make our haystack. So we just chop this up and put some tomato, cucumber, peppers, beans, and then put the sour cream on it. It's so good. You guys should try it. Oh, all you do is take a few of this, crumble it up on the bottom, put your lettuce, your beans, then put your meat, and then put your sour cream. Top it with a little bit of sour cream. Oh, so good. So good. So I got 4 things of this, which is usually like 2 meals for us, a family of 7. So I usually go back and get more. And what I do is when I go to Walmart, I push all the stuff in the front. I pull from the back because it's fresher, because that's how Walmart stack their stuff. So I usually go all the way in the back to get fresh stuff. So that's a tip for you. And then we have, red pepper, green pepper, orange pepper, tomato. I usually use a tomato a day, so it's like 8 in here. Cucumber, sweet potato. Rob and I are trying to get away from sweet potato because even though it's a really good healthy carb, it's still really, it's heavy. So we're trying to get away from that. So we have bagel here for the children in the morning when they make breakfast. It's just Jaxson because the other 2 eat at school. The other 2 are in public school. This is for the 2 kids that are in private school that they don't get breakfast or lunch after school. So we have banana here for Robin and the kids. We have a ton of apples. We go through a lot of apples here. We put it in oatmeal. Can eat it just as a snack. We get 2 things of egg. Walmart big case of egg went up from $4 something to $6.12. So yeah, thank you, Walmart. We have some bread here. This is better than the bread on the shelf that we used to buy for the kids. Hopefully we can wean them off, but it's kind of hard. So we got these 2 right here, and we usually put them in the freezer so that they don't go bad. And then we have 1% milk. Maddie loves this stuff. I don't know. She never used to like whole milk, but for some reason she loves the 1%. She will drink this thing like it's water. So that's it. And this is for 2 weeks. It's so funny how our grocery haul has cut down to just one space when you plan and eat healthier. Amazing. And portioned, because everything is portioned out and stuff, and we're not overeating, and we're not mass feeding the children anymore. So yeah, anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And $144 divided by 2 for a family of 7 is amazing. So I hope you guys can implement some of these savings and the way we do meals in our home, so that you guys can start saving some money. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.